Hello and welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog is all going to be about Maybach Mercedes GLS 600. This SUV was released way back in 2019, but India has got its own version which is yet to release on June 8th of 2021. So let's take a look at this uber luxury SUV manufactured by Mercedes-Benz luxury car division Maybach. So this SUV has got two options in its wheels, 22-inch and 23-inch, along with the floor runners. Whenever you want to get inside the car, when you open the door, they retract themselves out of the car so that you can easily get access to inside of the car, and whenever you drive off, they just get retracted and disappear in the underlining of the car. This SUV has a paint scheme which is known as dual tone paint scheme, just like Rolls-Royce, along with the pinstripe option. The interior of this car feels like boutique hotel experience, which feels really exclusive. They have given Napa leather on each and every side of this SUV, like door trims, dashboards, floors and ceilings, ceiling lining. Also, this Napa leather is one of the finest quality leather present on the market right now. You can also spec it up with wooden door pieces, trim pieces and dashboard pieces. More finest option here in this SUV is the heated cup holders or cooled cup holders. Yes, both are present in the single cup holder. You can heat your cups as well as cool your cups. Also, normal GLS 600 or GLS 63 AMG or GLS 400 comes with 7-seater package, but this Maybach GLS 600 comes with only 4-seater, which is the highest end of this SUV. Also, this 4-seater is specifically designed for maximum amount of legroom and the reclining capacity of the rear seat. So the rear seats are so impressive that they have recliners present with them, also with the thigh support and heating and cooling, that is ventilation system, present inside the seats of this amazing uber luxury SUV. Back seat has the option of mood lighting, which lights itself with 64 different color options, and it also has a infotainment system which is brought to you by Samsung, and you can control all the infotainment system whenever you are sitting in the back seat of this car. Also, this SUV has a option of rear fridge which will cool your champagne, and it also houses the champagne flutes. Also, these champagne flutes can be stood still with the help of the champagne cup holders. That's how thoughtful Mercedes is during this manufacturing of this SUV. So the boot capacity of this SUV is around 525 liters, which is double glazed with soundproofing materials so as to maximize the silence inside the cabin, inside the passenger cabin. Also, the ventilation system is lined with special kind of material, and it's coated with special kind of material so as to prevent the whistling during the airflow, to maximize the silence inside the cabin. Again, another feature which is first in class of this SUV is the heated floors. Yes, you heard me right. They have floor heating system present inside this SUV cabin. This SUV comes with the Burmeister sound system, which is as default, but you can spec it up to 1600 watts power output of this sound system, which is a high-end sound system, and it comes with 27 sets of speaker as well as 24 different amplification modes. This high-end speaker system can focus the sound on the specific passenger present inside this SUV. That's how high-tech this sound system is. SUV has the best-in-class suspension, and if you opt for e-active suspension control system provided by Mercedes-Benz, then this suspension system has a camera present on the front windshield, and this camera acts as a sensor for the upcoming speed bumps and the potholes, and it can adjust the suspension accordingly with the help of this hydraulic fluid, and it can lower or higher the position of this SUV, and it can just glide on this surface seamlessly without any possible damage to the inner comfort of the passenger. This SUV also has a dancing mode which is really epic, because this dancing mode is given by Mercedes-Benz so as whenever it gets stuck in some kind of area where it has very less grip on its wheels, then it starts bouncing itself so that it can get the grip and it can come out of that surface smoothly without creating any ruckus or any kind of wheel spins, or less traction affects the coming out capacity of this vehicle from such areas, where this dancing mode given by the Mercedes, that's what I am calling it, given by the Mercedes, helps it to come out very effortlessly. So the main question comes here is the engine which is the Indian spec version is getting. So Indian version is getting a 4-liter hybrid, mild hybrid twin turbo V8 engine which produces around 558 horsepower and a torque output of around 730 Newton meters. But as claimed by Mercedes, it has a mild hybrid system which gives a small boost, which is known as EcoBoost system as Mercedes calls it, which gives on demand 22 extra horsepower and 225 extra Newton meters of torque. SUV has proved itself as a better competitor for Rolls-Royce Cullinan, Aston Martin DBX and Bentley Bentayga. So let's see how it performs in Indian market, how the Indian customer responds to it. And on this bombshell, let's end today's vlog. I'll see you later. Till then, ciao.